Pretty much everything you need, you get to experience this authentic life. I love it. This is nice. Paddle the boat with the cats. It's another level, it's one of the kind. Today we are visiting an old, authentic market called Huatakhe. We just took the airport link train to Lat Krabang station and we will take another local train here. This station is also called Lat Krabang station. We're taking to Huatakhe station and I'm so excited and we only paid 2 baht for the tickets, you guys. Probably the cheapest train tickets I ever paid in my entire life. I've never been to this market, but I've heard so much about it, so let's begin our journey. So here I have the train schedule right here. You actually can take the train from Hua Lamphong station straight to Huatakhe, but we took the airport link. Schedule from 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 11, 1 a.m., pretty much almost every hour. And you guys, you know what, where we're sitting right here is super close to the airport. Is that right there? There's just like a plane flew just so close. So in case if you have a short layover, you can check this place out. Or if you're coming from Bangkok, take the Hua Lamphong station straight to the market. Easy peasy. Okay, so 2 lessons we learned from the local train. They do not announce the station. So from Lat Krabang station to Huatakhe station is 2 stations. You need to count because there will be no announcement. And once you're there, the train doors will not be open. You have to press the button. We were standing there waiting for the door to open and then the guy next to us say, if you gotta get out, you gotta press the button. And oh, okay, so we almost missed the station. Thank God, thanks to the guy. All right, and we are on our way. Mind you, it's very, very hot, but at the station, there's some drink and food stalls selling, so we bought a drink. And it's about 15 minutes walk from the station to the market. We're super excited and super hot. So welcome to Huatakhe Market. We are sitting here at, it's a guest house plus cafe as well called Yaek, Huatakhe. So we just ordered some food and it's super duper hot today. And this guest house located at the end of the market. So we walked past quite a little bit of the restaurants and cafes and a lot of souvenirs. We couldn't be bothered to stop because we are super hungry and super hot. So after we eat, we're gonna check those one out and Palm probably gonna paint. She's a painter, so she's probably gonna paint. Right now, let's wait for our food. On the way here, we see local life. We actually see people going on with their life. We see grandma doing laundry, hanging on her clothes. And you know, the boats, there's still some people traveling by boat in Bangkok, right here. So if you want to escape the city life and learn the local life, I highly, highly recommend this place. And this food, super delicious. Nice, not too spicy, juicy pork. One more thing, guys, in case you drive, there's a car parking lot right next to the market. You can take the cab if you want to escape the heat. But if you want to learn the local life, I suggest you come our way. So by the train, take the airport link and then the local train. From the airport link, like Bang station, you can take the bus, รถสองแถว But I do not recommend because I don't think the people will speak English. So you better take the local train, count 2 stations, and hop off. Don't forget to press the button. We love it, and I didn't expect that Bangkok still have this old authentic vibe market like this. It's a super small market, not so touristy, but still quite people because we are approaching the long holiday. But if you come in a normal day in the weekdays, it would not be as crowded, and you get to enjoy the river, nice and calm life. At 4:40, we are coming back here and hopping on the boat with this cuties at the back. I cannot wait until then, but right now it's just 3. We're gonna check out the market and then come back later. Oh, it's so classic. So this is the guest house upstairs, everybody. They have 5 rooms in total, 3 by the river, another 2 not by the river. For 2 people, it costs 700 baht a night only, and inside they have AC for you. If you're in Thailand, you need AC to survive. They have AC for you. Pretty much everything you need. You get to experience this authentic life and spend a night here. Wooden house, very old, very authentic. I love it. Yeah, that's pretty much it about this guest house. A nice food as well. I can imagine, waking up in the morning and seeing this river view. It has to be fantastic. This are posters, probably back in the 1990s. It's been a long time since we've seen this type of posters, right? So cool. We used to love this when we were kids. They used to sell it in 7-Eleven, but not anymore, right? Not anymore. Okay, I'm buying one. Hey, อันนี้อะไรอ่ะ Jelly เหรอ Unji. It's poop jelly. Should I buy for my sister? Yes. Okay. These are the fake cockroaches and fake house lizards. And I remember when we were kids, my mom tried to prevent my sister going up or down the stairs. She put the fake lizards by the stairs so my sister gets scared and she wouldn't walk down the stairs. That's a great trick for parenting. So cute. So these are the handmade ceramic work. I bought 3 hair clips and 2 pairs of earrings, and I paid 280 baht. And they are such a cute work. Cannot wait to wear them. Well, I'm a cat person, and I think these are so cute. How do I look? Like a cat lady? We are at the Pad Thai restaurant located by the river. It smells really nice, and the cook actually wants us to taste before season because I think she's pretty confident about her seasoning. So let's try it. She's right. You don't need a season. Already sweet, right amount of spice. Perfect. Amazing Pad Thai right here by the river. In case you didn't know, my sister is a painter and she has her painting Instagram. I will leave the link down below in case you want to hire her. So this is like a drawing area. You can do beards. You can make necklace and earrings and stuff. You can draw by the river, but the river table is full, so we're sitting right here, which is not bad. Should I make a necklace? Yeah. So I'm gonna make a necklace. Probably for the first time since I grew up. So if you want to make the bracelets, it costs 79 baht. You can make a ring or bracelets or anklets. Let's see.
A few moments later.
Look, this is how far I got. And I'm tired already. Patrick, you want to help? No. I don't understand artists. How can they sit still and paint?เลือกสีนี้ดิคิดไม่ออกอะคิดไม่ออกมันมาอย่างไงแล้ว
สีเหลือง
อะ
ก็ได้สีเหลืองใส่ก็สวยนะ
I suck. I have no creativity. You sure we come from the same parents? Something that you should know between me and my sisters. We went to the same university. I'm like 7 years older than her. I did a class and 7 years later, she did the exact same class with the exact same teacher. I got C, she got A. Okay, so count together with me, you guys. So the small ones, I put 10 and then one big one and then 10 and then one big one. Let's learn how to count in Thai together. Your Thai lesson here. So one we say 1 and then 2 3 4 and next is my favorite number 5. If you have a Thai friend and they text you 5, means they're laughing. They probably say 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. This is nice. What flower is that?
Yellow flower.
So this is Tom's work. We have a lot of this kind of painting at home, right? She's really good at drawing cats as well, but she say it will take longer time. Judging by my necklace, I know I have no creativity. I only go with 2 colors. So the reason I show you guys these snacks is because I used to love it since I were kids. I think only 1990 kids know about these snacks because it's not being sold in 7-Eleven anymore. You can only find it on like an old market like this. This is the, it's like raw noodle. You don't need to boil. You put the season in, you break inside and you just eat it raw like that. That's how we eat it. Okay, it's time? Okay, it's time. It's time for the boat. Let's go, let's go. Okay, so if you want the cat boat tour like this, you have to book in advance on their Facebook page. I will leave the link down in the description, and it costs 100 baht per person. There are 4 rounds per day, which is 4:30 and 5:30, I think. Each round, 3 to 4 boats will come for each round, and you get to paddle the boat with the cat like this. The concept of this boat tour is to collect the trash in the river, but it is so popular. I see no trash at all in the river, you guys, so we're just gonna chill out and observe this river view. Beautiful. He's so friendly and he sits on your lap. Can I take him home? We have 4 boats going together with us, watching the sunset at this peaceful canal. With this cat sky, it's not the kind of experience that you get to do every day. You get to paddle the boat. Yes, of course, it's everywhere. But paddle the boat with the cats, it's another level. It's one of the kind. And I will wrap up this video right here, everyone. We had the greatest day and the greatest experience with cats. So if you think we did a good job, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.